Shake it like a Polaroid picture. Okay, okay, it's working. Welcome back to the Silly Kitchen. I hope you guys are all having a wonderful summer so far and enjoying sunshine and summery food and summery drinks. This is what my episode today is about, is a summertime cocktail. So let's make summer sangria. Now, I mentioned this the last time I made sangria because I made a red sangria, but I thought a white sangria would be super fun for summertime. There really isn't one recipe for sangria. You can pretty much do whatever the hell you want. So I'm gonna show you the way that I make my sangria, and hopefully you like it, or you can change it, alter it, do whatever you want for your sangria recipe. Here's what we need. Your favorite white wine. A crisp, dry white wine would be best, but I use whatever I want. Some coconut rum and a little bit of Grand Marnier. We also want some tropical flavors. So I have pineapple juice, orange juice, some lemon and lime slices mostly for it to look pretty, but I think some of that lemony, limey juice comes out once it sits. And your favorite tropical fruit. Now I'm gonna talk about that in a minute. You also want a spritzer, so soda water, ginger ale, Perrier, whatever your favorite bubbly is, you can top that up onto your sangria. So let's go. I love using a mason jar to make this because then I put a lid on it, keep it cold in the fridge, and just keep topping her up. Keep topping her up. And I do have a shot glass for measuring. Shot glass for measuring. I swear I haven't had one of these yet today. Because, well, why not? I guess it's easier to pour. So we're gonna do 1 ounce of Grand Marnier, maybe one and a little bit. I'm making a lot of sangria today. I'm going to do 1 ounce, maybe 1 ounce and a little bit of coconut rum. Oops, see, it was overflowing anyway. Oh, try not to waste alcohol like I do because I just spilled some. Okay, so I'm doing equal parts. Let's just put it that way, whichever way you want to do it. Equal parts coconut rum to Grand Marnier. 1.5 is what's going in here for me. I am then going to add in, oh, this is heavy. Ugh, try not to spill this one too. Okay, well that's not really pouring very well. What's the trick to opening? I never buy pineapple juice like this. But this is all they had, and it's not coming out. Oh, maybe if I shake it? Shake it like a Polaroid picture. Okay, okay, it's working, but it's hard to gauge how much is coming out. You know what? I'm remembering my childhood now, and I think my mom used to poke holes on 2 sides so that the air could come out. Does that make sense? I'm gonna go try that. Not to say that I had sangria as a child. Please don't think that. I did not. Okay, so I poked another hole, and let's see. Okay, well that works better. Yay! I only spilled a few ounces. Oopsies. Okay, so add that much pineapple juice and this much orange juice. Literally, that's like half a cup. I think I poured in, I want more. Oh my God. This is a freaking disaster. I need to figure out how to use these. Please, if anybody knows what the best, do I just take the whole top off? I don't know. What a mess. Let me clean this up and we'll continue. Okay, what I meant to say was more pineapple than orange juice. Half a cup of orange juice, 1 cup of pineapple juice. I'm not really measuring, but that's kind of in my head what I think should happen in this situation. Now, you can throw in your lemons and your lime slices in here, just so that now that we have a bit of juice in there, we're good to go. And we're gonna top this off with your favorite white wine, or any white wine that you found or have lying around the house. And I'm gonna go with more. Beautiful. Okay, tropical summer sangria, here we come. Now, the easiest way to mix this, you could be like a cool cocktail person and have all those funny tools. Not funny, but I just go like this. Look, it's mixed. Ta-da! Okay, now you're gonna say, Sylvia, you haven't used your fruit yet or your other stuff. Okay, so the reason I wanted to talk about this is because this is frozen tropical fruit. So I have papaya, pineapple, and mango, and I just took a little bit out of the freezer. You can dump this all in here, but sometimes it's hard to get it into your glass afterwards and it just goes ka-splash, ka-splash, ka-splash. So what I like to do is just take a few of my favorite frozen fruits and stick them into my glass, because now, guys, you're not using ice, which ice would then dilute your drink the longer it sits, and on a hot day, that's quickly. But now these are gonna be like your ice cubes, but also a snack after you're done your drink. This is where you can now, on top of your ice cubes, pour yourself a beautiful drink. Put the rest of this in the fridge or share with your family and friends. And salut. Oh, that tastes like the most delicious tropical fruit punch ever. It is so good, and I have a feeling the alcohol will sneak up on you because it just tastes so good. So be safe with this drink. Oh, but give it a try because it is so good. Okay, now pretend that this didn't happen, because this happens to me all the time. I make sangria and I always say don't add your bubbly until you're ready to drink it. And then I forget to add the bubbly, and then I wonder why the sangria has gone to my head so quickly, and I just did it on camera. OMG. Spritz your sangria if you don't want to be on your ass after one drink. And honestly, that tastes way better. It just gives it that refreshing little bubbly punch. You will love it. Cheers to sunshine, summertime, happiness, and health. I will drink to all of that. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Thanks.